So we need to talk about this one right here. So when and I think some people are probably going to have a problem with the word punishment, just because they might feel like you need to punish kids when they don't obey or they don't do something that they're supposed to do. But that's not always the case. There are natural consequences you can use, and we can give kids choices in order to avoid those power struggles in the first place. Kids, especially older kids, can't stand feeling like they don't have some sort of say, some sort of controls. They don't want to feel like they're not given any choice in matters in their life. With toddlers, we see this in tantrums. Like, they don't want to put on their shoes or they don't want to put on their jacket. So giving them choices: do you want to wear your sandals or do you want to wear your gym shoes? Do you want to wear your pink jacket or do you want to wear your blue jacket? Can sometimes help diffuse those kind of situations. With older kids, giving them choices, letting them make their decision themselves. Like, okay, you don't want to wear a jacket, that's fine. Don't wear your jacket. And then letting them have those natural consequences. They didn't wear their jacket, they got cold. Well, you're not bringing the jacket to school though. Next time, you'll remember to wear your jacket because it's cold out. So giving them those choices to make by themselves so that they feel like they're having that power, that they're having that sense of, I can do this on my own, helps them to feel much more independent, much more like their own self. When we take that from them by threatening them, by saying, you're going to do this or else, and trying to punish them by saying something like, you're going to take out the garbage or I'm going to take your phone. That's not a natural consequence. If I don't do my job, my boss doesn't take my phone away from me, So using more natural consequences is going to really help your child understand. And not only that, not yelling at them. Like, if I miss a day at work, my boss isn't going to call me and scream at me. So saying like that's not real life, yelling and screaming and punishing by taking something is also not real life. My boss would never call me screaming and saying, I'm taking your phone because you missed a client. Does that make sense? Like, threatening a child because they didn't do something doesn't make sense at all.